Hey everybody. My wife and I recently visited Boston, and where we stayed was pretty close to Logan Airport. Not only do they have free airport shuttles that take you to the airport terminals, the car rental pickup and drop off, and the Blue Line T station, they also have a great public transportation network to get from anywhere near one of these stations to downtown and all the sites that you want to see. And what we want to show you here is where we dropped off our rental car at the airport car rental center and hopped on one of their on-airport free shuttle buses and ended up here at the T station, the Blue Line T station, where we went ahead and bought a MTBA card, Charlie card, that we could use for the duration of our stay. So we thought we'd share that with you. Hope you find it useful. Hope you enjoy.